Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about chest voice. Learning how to use your chest voice is really important, especially for beginners. So go ahead, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Chest voice is the foundation of your singing. It's one of the most important parts of your singing voice. It's the voice you use when you talk and when you sing low notes. It helps you project your voice without shouting. Let's find your chest voice. Say, hey, in your normal speaking voice. Like you're calling someone across the street. Hey! 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 Don't confuse chest voice with yelling. If you train your chest voice a little bit every day, you'll start to feel stronger and more confident in your singing. Okay, let's do some vocal exercises together. Let's move on to a gentle hum. Hum. Close your lips and say hum. 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 So you can feel it here and here. When you're singing the humming, pay attention. You feel the vibrations here and here and here. Nose. Okay, let's go. Nice work. Nice work. Let's do a vocal slide with the vowel O, up and down on the third. Go ahead, sing along with me. O. Keep the sound steady and supported, with a rich, grounded tone. Nice work. Last one. Place your hand on your chest and sing ooh. Great. Follow along. Nice work. One more. Whew! Great job. Oh, eh, oh. Oh, eh, oh. Nice work. Keep going. Oh, eh, oh. Last one. That's it for today. You did it. Yay! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more vocal tips and vocal warm-ups each week. Thank you so much for watching. I see you next time. Bye-bye.